Hi guys, welcome back to the Rabbit Learning. Welcome to the data structures in Python. Let's begin with the fundamental question: what are data structures and why do we need them? In the simple terms, data structures help us to store and organize data so that we can work with it efficiently. Whether you are building a calculator or a social media app, you will need to store and manage data, and that's where Python's built-in data structures come in handy. In this module, we will explore four essential data types in Python: list, tuples, sets, dictionary. We will discuss when to use which and how to use them effectively. All references notes are available in your downloadable handbook. Let's start with lists are the one of the most commonly used data structures in Python. To begin, let's head over to our course folder. Let's create a new folder named data structures and open it in VS Code. Inside that, create a new file called list.py. So, what is list? Sometimes we want to store multiple values under one variable name. For example, if I want to store the marks of 5 students, I don't want to create 5 separate variables. Instead, I'll store them all in one. For example, if I want to store the marks of 5 students, I don't want to create 5 separate variables. Instead, I will store them all in one list. For example, marks equals to square brackets 34, 46, 98, 32, 62. A list in Python is defined by enclosing the values in square brackets separated by commas. You can store only integers, only strings, and even a mix of types: integers, strings, booleans, floats, and even here is an example of mixed list. Mixed equals to 10, comma strings hello, comma 3.14 which is float, and comma false which stands for boolean. Then print marks and also print mixed. Lists are flexible and powerful. There are three key properties of list are which is list are ordered and immutable and heterogeneous. This is a different from strings which are immutable. You can't change a string once it's created, but you can change a list. You can also print marks on index second, which prints 98. Just like with strings, list use zero-based indexing. You can also print mixed on index second. It will print 3.14. If you try to access an index that doesn't exist, for example, mixed 10, Python will throw an error, index error, list index out of range. Just like strings, you can also slice list. You can print marks 2, 4. It will give the output of 98, 32. This grabs the elements from index 2, but not including index 4. That's it for the video. In the next video, you will dive deeper and explore the methods and operations you can perform on the list, like adding, comma removing, comma inserting, and more. So stay with me and let's continue building your Python skills. See you in the next lesson.